All right. So these are actually asked from Ian lah. All right. So can you please take a look at this question, question 10? I think this question is from the Shinli workbook. All right. You know, you got a textbook, you got a workbook portion. All right. Some of the schools are using the workbook. All right. So this is actually from the workbook portion. All right. Can you please just give it a try? All right. See whether you can handle or not. All right. So these three questions, right, are number pattern. All right. It is from Ian. All right. And I just want to show it to you that, we can actually attempt these type of questions together. Oh, okay. Can you please just take a look at this and try? Hello, Jensen. So Jensen was just telling the rest the plan of today. Today we'll start off with 3-number pattern kind of question. All right. After that, we'll go into the worksheet 20. Right, which many of you actually did your worksheet. Angela, Hannah, Ian, Nikki, Tammy, Situa. All right. All right, all of you actually participated in the worksheet. Thank you so much. All right, then we'll have a bit of Kahoot. And I think today's lesson will be short and sweet. All right, and tomorrow is the holidays. Woo, happy Vesak Day. All right, good job. Heard that this Friday starting, right, is your school holidays already. Right, heard from Nikki. I'm so jealous, man. All right, but lessons for the Set 1 class still continues. All right, you're still supposed to come for the lessons either on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, come and see me 1.5 hours only every week. Come on. All right. I know you miss me. You miss my voice. Tammy, your first answer is... Oh? What's that? They're asking you to find the expression, for the next 2 odd number. They're looking for the expression. Expression means there must be some alphabet involved, right? Must read the question properly. All right, so can you please try question A? Question part 1. All right, Ian, you already got the answer already, I know. All right, the rest, can you please try? Imagine the first question, right, your test paper, right, is this type of question. Wow, I tell you, it's very irritating one. It just throw you, it just throw you off guard. Right, you just don't know what to do, right? Very irritating one. So how are you going to handle yourself for this question? What do you think? Can I give you another about 1 or 2 minutes? Up to now, no answer yet. So sad. What's happening? Is it so difficult? Hey, hello, Jethro. Yo, Jethro. Yeah, so Jethro, we are doing a couple of extra questions. Whoa, Jensen, that is not bad. Jensen, all right, you got the first part correct. The second one is not correct. But thanks for trying. Wow, at least you got the first answer correct. Because there are 2 expressions, right? You got the first expression correct. Good job, Jensen. Good job. Think of the second one. Why is it wrong? Yeah, Jethro, I was just telling you, yeah, we are doing some questions about number pattern. Right, your classmate asked this question. Right, I think it's good to share with you guys. Right, after the number pattern question, we'll go into the worksheet 20. Hannah, are you sure, Hannah? No, that is not correct. Very good, Jensen. The second one is correct already. Good job. Wow. That means you understand the question. Good job, Jensen. Very good, I thought nobody would know. All right. Somebody prove me wrong. Okay, so Jensen, I think you can just relax for a while. All right, because part 1 is the one that I'm interested in. All right, you can go ahead and do part 2A. All right, part 2B, I will do it. Anyone else? Oi. I know it's going to be the school holidays already. Don't slap on me. Come on. No answers. Wait, I'm so confused. I know, right, Hannah? Imagine that this is the first question in your test paper. I tell you, your mood will be terrible, man. Right? You will have no mood to do. Hushnan, no, but thanks for trying. At least you know what's the meaning of expression, Hushnan. At least you know what's the meaning of expression, but your answer is wrong. Thank you for trying. Yeah, the question is going, is making you go goo gaga, is it? Nikki, no, but thank you for trying. At least you know what is called expression also. Good job. All right. So, okay, are you all ready? Children, are you all ready? I taught you all this before, what? Huh? You all, things that I teach you all, right? You all must know how to use it. If not, right, very sad. Okay, come, children, are you ready? Come, let's go. Let's read the question. Given that n is an integer. Integer means what? Integer means like a solid number. Solid number means what? No fraction, no decimal. All right, I always say that to you. Every time I say the same thing, children. All right, I've been very consistent. Every time I say that same thing. Hushnan, not bad. I think you are getting there. Hushnan, very good. Hey, no, not Hushnan. Hannah, sorry, not Hushnan, sorry. Hannah, very good. You're getting there. Good job. Very good. Tammy, nope. Both answers are not correct, but you're getting close, I think. Okay, come, listen to me. My turn. Oi, my turn. Look, children. So now, right, they are talking about something called what? Children, look here. They are talking about the next two odd number, right? So you give yourself an example, children. Give yourself an example. Children, what is odd number? You give yourself an example like what? For example, 1, 3, 5. Is this okay? Always give yourself an example. If you don't know, just give yourself this example. 1, 3, 5 are odd number. Okay, ask yourself, children. From 1, how do you get to 3? Plus 2. Correct or not? Correct. And down here, children. From 1, how do you get to 5? Plus 4. Correct or not? 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. Correct. Okay, now, what the question wants? The question says that write down expressions for the next two odd number after 2n minus 3, which means that this 1, right, is represented as 2n minus 3. Can you see or not? This is the first odd number. What is the next two odd number? That's what the question is asking. Do you understand or not? Okay, now looking at my pattern, from 1, how do I get to 3? Plus 2, right? So down here, 2n minus 3, what must you do? You must plus 2 lah. Look at the pattern, children. It's a pattern question. Now, from 1, how do you get to 5? All right, it's the same thing. You have to take 2m minus 3 because 2m minus 3 is the first number, right? Plus 4 lor. Can you see or not? Can you compare or not? Just do a comparison, children. And trust me, use your example to assist you. And after that, you are able to what? Simplify. So it's 2n minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 1. This one is minus 3 plus 4 is a plus 1. Can you see or not? So these are the two expressions, no, children? Do you understand? Woo! Yes, you substitute random number and see it works. Okay, can, no problem. It will work. Children, understand or not? Huh? So always give yourself an example. Don't stress. Right? Once you start to panic, I tell you, all right, you'll forget everything. That's not what you want. All right, do not panic. Stay calm. Okay? Okay, next. IIA. Find in the simplest form the expression for the sum. What's the meaning of sum? Of the three odd numbers. So the first one is 2n minus 3. Plus the second one is 2n minus 1. Plus the third one is 2n plus 1. All right, so you're talking about the sum, right? The sum of the three odd numbers, right? So you plus together, lor. Right, so you have 2n plus 2n plus 2n is 6n. All right, you have minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. All right, can you also take out the multiple of 3? All right, can you factorize out the 3? You get something like that. All right, so ultimately, right, this is the correct answer already. Just to let you know. All right, this is part 2A. But why do I go on to factorize it? Why do I go and put the factorize it? Because this is for part 2. Part 2B. Explain why the sum is a multiple of 3. All right, as you can see, the above, all right, the above 3, 2n minus 1 consists of the factors 3 and 2n minus 1. Thus, the above is a multiple of 3. Do you understand or not? Do you understand or not? What is the meaning of multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 means what? Can divide by 3 lah. All right. So, for example, can divide by 3, right? If you have a 3 outside, right? What does this mean? For example, 3 times, let's say 7. All right. The 3 is outside here, right? If you times 7 to it, it's 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. Can divide by 3, ah? All right, because there's a 3 outside already. So you give it anything lah, 3 times 17, no problem. All right, 3 times 17 is equal to 51. 51 inside got the 3 already, right? Understand or not? So you have to show that there is a 3 down there, right, to make it a multiple of 3. Understand or not, children? So the explanation part is a little bit irritating. Will they test this kind of explanation? Yes. Hannah, I'm so sorry to say, but this type of questions is getting more and more popular. It's very irritating, right? The explanation kind of question like this is getting very, very popular. All right. So they will definitely test in your O level. And the thing is, there is no 100% way of there's no it's very English, I know. There's no 100% in getting the marks one. Because sometimes you write, right? And what the teacher want is different thing. All right, you must try to use a bit of math term. Yeah, so it's very irritating. Right, long time ago, my time, right, is all about numbers and numbers. Don't have explanation one. But now, oh, I tell you, all right, recently I was helping one of my like that time Evan was all right, he asked me for his help for his homework. Wow, it's like one whole entire paragraph, a lot of story. They tell you about this item, that item, then you're supposed to look at it as a whole story. All right, then you're supposed to answer accordingly. I tell you, all right, it's a lot of analysis. All right, it's moving in that direction also. All right, a lot of explanation, a lot of talk one. All right, so just get used to it lah. Can? All right, so this question okay, right? Okay, this question still okay, right? Okay, okay, next question, next question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Tammy, okay or not? Tammy, are you okay? Speak to me, Tammy. Are you okay? No, no. Okay, okay. Okay, you copy first. Are you still copying? Or are you trying to understand? Which part are you lost? Which part are you lost? Tell me. Are you lost? Yes, which part? This one? The one on the right? This one? Which part? Part 2A or part 2B? Or part A? No, I never see your message. Okay, I assume okay, Okay? Okay, come, next question. Okay, so this question, right? This question is a little bit different from our normal one. Remember our normal first level constant? So first level constant, we talk about a formula, which is what? Term n is equal to a plus dn minus 1. Remember this or not? All right, then I taught you all even the second level constant, which is the crazy one, right? So all these, right, got some formulas to it. But this one, this one got no formulas one. This one, there's no formulas. Right, this is very random. We call it random pattern. All right, there's no formulas to it, but you are able to derive. right? You are able to derive certain pattern.